This time on PPP Answers, going Nespresso-Compatible. Gerald Kong is a pod champion at PPP. There are 20 formats out there, Gerald, so why Nespresso?
So Nespresso is basically huge, and we think that they have won the format war for now. This has happened because all patents have expired. Nespresso originally saw themselves as supplying coffee, not machines. The result for the consumer is a large number of affordable machines by reputable third parties. Pods use less coffee, so there's less wastage per cup, and the coffee is nitrogen flushed, giving our pods a shelf life of up to 18 months. They're generally more sustainable, assuming of course that the format is correctly recycled. The shells we use for making those pods are compostable. We are 100% non-plastic. Part of sustainability is the relationship we have with the farmers. So the coffees we buy are above the market rate.
Keep watching PPP Answers to find out more about pods and get useful hacks for Planet Coffee.